Telegram stuck on loading on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you easy steps to fix the Telegram loading error fast. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you are on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check for server outage. Before changing any settings, verify if the problem is on Telegram. Open Safari on your iPhone and go to downdetector.com. Type the name of Telegram in the search box. Analyze the graph. A huge spike in the last hour indicates a widespread outage. Read comments. Scroll to the bottom to see real-time comments from other users. If the server is down, then wait until it's okay. Solution 2. Fix the date and time sync. This is the most common reason for a persistent connecting loop. If your phone's internal clock is even a few seconds off from Telegram servers, the security handshake will fail. Go to iPhone settings, then tap General. Now tap Date and Time. Toggle Set Automatically to Off. Wait 5 seconds and toggle it back on. Restart Telegram. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. If Telegram only loads messages when the app is open, your iPhone is likely putting the app to sleep to save battery. Your iPhone is likely putting the app to sleep to save battery. Again, go to iPhone settings, then tap General. Now tap Background App Refresh. Ensure the main toggle is on, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down to Telegram. Make sure it is toggled on. Solution 4. Clear Telegram cache. Sometimes the cache gets too large or corrupted. The app may hang on a black screen. Go to iPhone settings, then tap General. Now go to iPhone storage. Find Telegram in the list. Tap Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your data. Tap Reinstall App. This clears out technical glitches while keeping your chat safe. Like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. See you next time.